from the VI boy, which part? Only place in the world me no get lost. Not take light to no slick top.
What's up, y'all? Good morning, you beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we will be meeting up with Gravity Rally. All right, I got my co-pilot Bree. We're about to get into it. Hopefully it's not too crazy, but let's go ahead and start the video off with the cold start. Y'all know how we love to do it. So all right, so what needs to be done? I need to freshen this car up a little bit with a quick little rinse. The wheels are super dirty from coming all across the country. And then I think I need some coolant in my supercharger, a little Dex Cool to make sure she's driving a-okay. So let's get that started right now. Not too bad, a quick little wash just so she's not looking too bad when we get there. Had to clean her up a little bit. All right, boys and girls, we made it. Bree, put on your happy face. All right, let's go meet some people and mingle.
I don't have to put on a happy face.
You happy already?
Yeah.
Aww. Oh God, Jesus. She's so cute. All right, so you know I'm gonna have to start showing y'all the car. Sorry if my lens fogs up, but all right, so we're pulling up on a lot of we got Viper City. What you think so far? Cool. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of Vipers out here.
That's her Viper.
It might be. What was her name? It was.
I don't remember.
Yeah. And then of course I can't wait to see David. It's been so long.
And then there's that.
I love it. The stance and everything too. Color on this.
I love it.
I like it's smooth. Then we got the SS. We got a Lexus F. We got some more Lexuses, and then that RS7. That's clean. That thing is super clean. All right, so we're gonna go inside, grab some coffee or whatever we're supposed to grab. I don't drink coffee, but you know, it won't hurt. All right, here goes the start, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, we're getting ready to get out and get started. We got some of the cars out here rolling out, so. Y'all, Bree is losing her mind right now. How you feeling?
I'm not doing too good. I kind of want to go home.
Oh, she can't take the rally life. Okay, so all that means is, hey, next rally, I need a new co-pilot. She's not built for this anymore. So, hey, it might be one of my subscribers. If you guys are interested on doing one of these rallies with me, let me know in the comments below, and we can make this happen. I think so. Of course, it'll be fun. You know what I'm saying? Some great content, and we'll get to it. Alright guys, we have made it. At least we got to the end. That's what counts. That's what's important. So how was it? Did I kill you? Let me clean her mouth, guys. Always like a baby, bro.
But I called him to kill him.
It's still on your face. But nah, that was nice, man. These cars, all these cars were moving, driving nice. Like I said, we got all the cars out here, everyone out here. It was a great experience, man. I can't wait for more. I don't know if Bree will be able to hang on the other one though. Oh, time to go be an adult again. Time to go be an adult again, guys. But we are out. Till next time. You're not watching I Stay Joshin' and Bree.
Yes, and Bree.
And Bree. But nah, I'm gonna finish off with these cars, man, because they're beautiful.
Give me the key so I can start it. And get my seat comfy.
Man, this car is so filthy, y'all. Check this out real quick. You will not believe that we washed this car this morning. It's ridiculous. Woo, she's sounds good. She did good today. She did definitely did good today. So what's next on the list is we need to get the suspension done. I want it stiffer. I think in the corners she's, you know, she feel like she's swaying a little bit at higher speed, so I wanted to sit stiffer. When I floor it, I know the nose sits up, that air gets under, and it starts to feel like a plane. So we're gonna figure it out. Every rally, we build, we go, we build, we go, we tweak, we figure out what we need to do. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Gravity Rally, again, for your hospitality. Always love to be around car enthusiasts, and until next time, I'll see you guys. This time, I promise, it's final.
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get the